Have you ever seen a gecko walking on a wall? Or even on the ceiling? The gecko is a small lizard. It lives in warm places around the world.
Geckos can climb smooth walls, rough trees, and even glass.
Is the wall sticky? Is the gecko using glue?
No. Gecko feet are dry. The secret is in the gecko's feet, with millions of tiny hairs.
These hairs are called setae. They are much thinner than a human hair.
At this tiny distance, a weak force begins to act.
Each tiny hair splits into hundreds of even smaller tips. This force is called van der Waals force.
Millions of tiny forces together become strong.
A gecko gently peels its toes to let go.
Even dusty walls do not stop geckos.
Scientists study gecko feet to design tools and robots.